What is up, Mike here with another tutorial. I am sorry for the last few weeks that I've been inactive, or not like last 3-4 days. I've just been lazy as could be, and yeah. So anyways, guys, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna show you the alternative choices to this gradient effect. Now, what I've done with this is my crop was inaccurate, so I fixed it up, guys, and now you may notice if I disable this that this one comes in. Hold on, let me move this over. That it comes in too much, but if you're doing a gradient wipe, that doesn't matter at all, guys. So we're set to go, basically. I just made this one, them both go in from out, which I'll have a pack up for, hopefully, in time, this time. And so, yeah, we've got our thing, and this is basic. Now, what you want to do, guys, is instead of the last effect I showed you, which was, I believe, 3D fly-in in the, yes, it was, you can use anything, swap it with anything. So the first one we're going to do, we're going to go from top up, is slot machine. We're just going to drag that on there, and we are going to line it up to work right. So I think we're going to have to drag this back to, I want it to line up to here. So we can drag our clip anywhere and see how fast it goes. So this better be done, this coming in, better match exactly by there. Now you can see that this finishes exactly the same time, basically. That was pretty flawless. So once you get this bottom one, guys, you can just keep swapping, taking this off by dragging it at the top left off and then trying out, as long as you don't modify this or the position of this one. And you can just keep swapping them out and see which one looks best. So let's preview this on preview half real fast so it previews faster. Let's go. Let's jump in right now. So it's that easy. And now it looks a little bit artificial because you don't see any of the movement of the previous clip, so I'm just going to render out a little bit more and you can see. How awesome does that look? How easy is that? Now, we'll just do the same thing. All we have to do is line up the effect with here. So 3D blinds, goodbye. I love you. You can do also any of these if you really want to, left to right. I'm just going to show you. And then you just drag it back to here, and then we'll preview it. Now, in this case, this effect's different, and it finishes early because of the position. So we want our effect to finish here. So we're just going to drag it in. And there, it finishes right here. And then we can just drag this clip over, and we're set. So that is such an easy and sexy transition, I'm not going to lie, guys. Now, drag this off. We're going to have to modify the bottom again. You might have to modify per sometimes. And we're just going to try top to bottom. And this is like a more like physics almost thing, more like fluid, if that makes sense. And we're just going to check out when it ends. So it's coming apart, and it's the bottom still missing, if you notice right here, and then it flies in. So we're going to have to make our gradient wipe slightly longer. Still a little bit longer. Boom. And there you go. So now we'll render this out. Beautiful. Now, if that's going too fast for your liking, guys, for me it is. I'm going to drag this out, and we're going to recalibrate, if that makes sense, almost. I'm just going to drag it out a little bit. We're going to recalibrate the gradient wipe to be coming in at the right time. So, we got to make it longer. Pardon me, I was making it shorter, wondering what was happening. So yeah, just make sure it almost matches. That one's close enough. Boom, that looks a little bit better. And we can render that out. And that comes in a little bit slower. It looks smooth. So now we can drag that one out and just keep going, guys. I mean, let's do tumble in. This is a popular one. I use the different one that people still use, just not as popular. I mean, it's not the cool kid on the block, I guess. But you can see it finishes right here. Now, our gradient wipe comes in too early, and you can see some of the edges. So what we're going to do with that is just drag it out all the way in this case. And now they match up almost perfectly instantly. Actually, we're going to have to drag this over a little bit. I guess it just snaps right there, and then it's finished right there. So, yeah. And all you basically have to do is tweak a couple things in your set, guys. I mean, it's sort of common knowledge just to tweak these up until they all match up, and then you're set. How amazing does that look? How easy is this? Now, we can just keep going down. If we really wanted to, guys, we could keep going down. I mean, here, we'll do bright light. The point of this tutorial is just to show you how to tweak exactly. For example, this finishes slightly early. So we're going to drag the clip out, actually, and then drag the effect slightly out. So, boom. Awesome. And maybe this over one. Yeah, boom. So let's watch this back. Boom, flies in, awesome effect, looks cool. I mean, it's once again, it looks a little bit generic. If you don't see the rest of the clips, it looks a little bit fake, but you'll see what I mean. Look at that, just cool as could be and easy. And you guys can go on and on and on with this. It's not hard. Clock wipe's a famous one. We're gonna get right into that one. But I want to make this under like 7 minutes, and it's not hard to do in any way, guys. So you guys get the idea. I'm just gonna try to show you how to tweak. So this one finishes about the same time, but I'm gonna want this to come in a little bit faster. Boom, just so it looks a little bit better. So we're gonna check this out now. Boom, see that? Finishes, boom, real quick. So let's check that out. Look at how smooth that is. It's not hard. And you can just keep doing this. You have the crop now. It takes 10 seconds to do this transition. And it looks wonderful. It's not hard. It's very easy, in fact. And there's so much you can do with it. I mean, if you really wanted to, you could do puzzle pieces. I don't know if this is popular at all. I've never seen it, really. And I'm not trying to show you guys popular. I'm just trying to show you guys how to customize stuff, actually. Make your own. Make it look fresh. Make it look new. So we're just going to sync that up and check it out. Boom. Puzzle pieces of the scope are being put into place. Look at that. Let's watch this. Looks good. I mean, it's not my favorite, but it looks good. You guys can just switch it up. I mean, is it really that hard, guys? So, I don't want to go into the new blue stuff because it's for some reason acting weird, but, I mean, you guys, I'm not going to lie, you can do anything with this, and by anything, any transition you guys have will probably work and look nice for this, depending on how it's tweaked up. So, in this case, we're going to need to do this a little bit faster, or, I mean, slower. And I'm going to actually tweak up this effect a little bit so that the peel opacity is a lot lower, so you can barely see that. Maybe even lower than that. Yeah, let's just go 0. Let me try that. So that even looks good. It looks like I'm peeling a sticker on there. Alright, so you guys get the idea. Once again, the annotation for the first video, because this probably won't make any sense to you if you haven't seen that, is somewhere on the screen right now. You guys love me. I love you. And last couple of things you guys can do is literally anything. I mean, let's just try this one. I mean, literally, if you want to do something... Sorry, my phone's ringing. If you want to... Not my phone. I mean, my home phone. Not my phone. Yeah, if my phone was like that ringtone, I'd probably be sad. No, I'm kidding. I have like a default ringtone. But anyways, look at this. Look at it. Is that hard? Not at all. Does it create an awesome effect? Yeah. Alright, so let me wait for the phone to stop ringing. It was a bad idea to have it up here, wasn't it? That's basically it, guys. This has been FluffeyHD. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this helped you a lot with your transitional masking sexiness. This has been Mike, everybody, and wow, that looks bad. You know, don't do that. Don't do that one. Don't do the new. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. This has been Mike, and look at this. Look at this. If you've cropped right, you don't even need to crop out all 4 corners. You know what you can do? Use push in center. And I was on my outro there, and then I found this. But here you go, last effect, guys. I hope you enjoyed. This has been FluffeyHD, and peace. That looks it. All right, guys. Peace out. I love you all. Please like and favorite and subscribe, and please request tutorials. Send them to my inbox, and I do all requested tutorials. If they're editing, I'll figure it out and do it. All right.